A 500-kilogram sports car accelerates uniformly from rest, reaching a speed of 30 meters per second in 6 seconds. During the 6 seconds, the car has traveled a distance of. You may pause the video here and attempt an answer of your own. In this case, again, you have useless information, such as the mass of the car. They don't really need you to use that for anything. And then you have several important ideas. They tell you that it accelerates uniformly from rest, so your initial velocity is zero. And there must be some kinematics equation that you can use because the acceleration is constant. The final velocity is 30 meters per second. And the time interval for the motion is 6 seconds. And they want you to find the displacement of the car. The relevant formula here is displacement over time is equal to initial velocity plus final velocity divided by 2. And so your displacement is equal to the average of 0 and 30 meters per second times 6 seconds. That adds up to 90 meters, which is option D. Thank you for watching. See you next time.